Good morning everybody and happy Sunday. This is like straight up what I look like when I get up. Like, it's real life here. It is Sunday. I have the day off, which is really nice, and I slept in. It's 9:50, which is kind of crazy. I'm gonna be real with you guys because I get up so early during the week for work. I try and let myself sleep in like one weekend day if I'm not working. Today I had the day off, so I let myself sleep in, which is really nice. Really gross day outside. It's raining and it's just not nice. Keep myself busy today and get a lot done. I'm gonna make myself a coffee, maybe sit in bed and read for a little bit. I have a lot to do today though, which I'm really kind of stressed about, and then Claire and I are gonna go to the gym later and just get ready for a new week. So guys, so we're back in bed sipping on a nice coffee, and I'm also reading It because I went to go see It 2 this week, and after seeing the second one I wanted to read the book, so I'm reading that. I read a lot of it last night. Last night I had the best Saturday night ever, guys. After work I went and did legs at the gym. Like, I did a late night workout, which was really nice, and then I came home, I poured myself a glass of wine, and I read It, and it was like the best self-care Saturday in the world. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, I'm gonna sip on this coffee a little bit more, and then I'm actually gonna get ready, and I might get ready today just because it's raining and the rain makes me feel very blah. So you'll notice that like today's probably a busier Sunday than normal because I need to keep myself busy or else I get really sad when it's raining. So I read for a little bit more, get up, get ready. I want to get like one of those floppy hats today, so I think it'd be really cute to wear on Halloween with it. So I'm gonna go look for one of those like black floppy hats, if you guys know what I mean. But yeah, I'm having a morning to myself and I'm really loving it. Lifestyle and my avocado toast. You guys, I just got ready for the day. Like I said, when it's like rainy and stuff out, I really try and get ready just so I don't know, I just feel like a little better about myself. Also, my hair is getting so long. I have a haircut on Tuesday and I'm so excited because it needs to get cut. My outfit, I'm wearing this turtleneck, which is actually from Walmart. It was like $15 and I'm obsessed with it. It is so cute and comfy. Belt, and then I just have some Old Navy jeans on. But yeah, I'm gonna film a Q&A now, but just because I'm ready. Hopefully the lighting in my room isn't too bad. And yeah, that's my update. That's my cute little fall outfit of the day. So I just packed my gym bag for the gym later. I think we're doing upper body, so I'm just gonna pack some pink lines. I only wear lines when I do upper body because then just a black crop top. And then my favorite sports bra from Lulu, Energy bra, but the long line one, which is basically a regular one on me because I'm tall. And then if you guys are wondering, I use the Alani Nu Rainbow Candy pre-workout, which I don't love. I don't get a really good pump out of it, but I just want to finish it up. And then these are my favorite BCAAs, this brand. I really like the fuzzy peach ones, but right now I'm doing a lemonade, which is really good. But these are my favorite BCAAs by Mutant. I love all Mutant supplements, honestly. They're bomb. I just filmed a Q&A. I'll edit that later. What is my hair doing? Like, literally sometimes I think I need to get a smaller barrel because it's starting to piss me off. Anyways, I'm so cranky today. It's the weather, I swear. It's 11:20. Brooke and I are gonna go head out around noon and we're gonna go to Marshall's in Winners. I'm gonna try and find a hat. We're gonna go to a cute little coffee shop. But yeah, I'm gonna go grab some breakfast really quick. I've been trying to not eat as soon as I get up and only eat when I'm hungry because I have a habit of just eating when I get up to eat. It's not good. So I'm gonna eat now because I'm hungry. And yeah, I made myself a little yogurt bowl, which I actually never do and I should do it more. I just had some yogurt to use up, which was like the Waco's 000 peach yogurt. And then I chopped up some strawberries, and that is just the Vector protein granola for some protein. Just my coffee. Keep watching Danielle's video. It's really a great Sunday morning. I can't complain.
Sound of the 80s. Suddenly you hear it everywhere. It's all beat and all talk. It tells you a story and makes you want to dance. Steve Fox examines an overnight phenomenon, rapping to the beat.
Hi guys, back in the car now. I showed you guys a little clip of my afternoon, but I really wanted to have like just some time with Brooke and not have my camera out or anything. So I'll run you guys through what we did, and I have some clips. So we went to Red Door Provisions in Ottawa, which is a cute little coffee shop. That was super cute. Got a cute little Instagram. I'll insert it here. We did that, and then I was really determined, like I said, to find a hat, and I found one. We went to the mall and we went to every store, and we were like nearing the last store, and I was like kind of like, oh, it's fine, I won't get one, and there was one left at Aldo, and I managed to get it. And I'll put the picture of me wearing it here for you guys so you guys can see, but I think it's really cute. I'm not sure though, because sometimes I think something's cute and it's not, but I got it and I think it's cute. I'll show you guys what it looks like when I get back. It just looks so cute with my curly hair, and I'm like literally obsessed with it. But I'm gonna try and film up my workout for you guys, and then we're gonna go home, we're gonna have dinner, and then I'm gonna have a productive evening. I want to like edit and stuff and get this video up by tomorrow. So I'm gonna try and have a quick editing sesh. And yeah, I just want to get a lot done tonight. I was supposed to go to the movies with a friend from work, but I have a family dinner for my sister's birthday and stuff, and I just want to have like a nice relaxing night in, do a face mask, you know. Really try my hardest to not ever work on Sunday evenings, just because I like to have Sunday evenings to myself. I don't mind working Sunday days, but evenings, no, just because I like to, you know, have time to myself, do a face mask and get ready, because normally I have a really long week ahead. So I try and just have time to myself, you know. I head to the gym now. I'll talk to you guys probably after my workout.
Find my like notes to, oh, there we go. Well, I don't really, but sometimes I have fun games in there.
The lighting is literally awful. I'm so sorry guys. Don't mind all the clothes. We're doing laundry, but this is the hat. I'm like literally so obsessed with it. It looks so cute. This outfit too, just with the black accent of the belt. Oh, I think it looks so cute. So I'm really happy with it. I love the hat. I think it's so cute. I'm kind of sad that I got it like late in the fall but I'm gonna wear it on Halloween when we go to a little spooky Halloween thing. So that's my purchase in lingerie, but you don't get to see that. So that's that. I'm going to get some work done for the next little bit, edit my Q&A, and yeah, I just want to show you guys my cute new hat. Cute. They left like the hanger on my hat, so I hung it up, and I kind of like think it looks cute. I don't really know. I'm gonna have to change stuff around, but you know what I mean? Oh, I need to update that for this week. Day off, and then I work 4 days, and then I leave for Disney on Friday. So it's a pretty chill week. I have no papers due, no midterms. It's going to be an awesome week, just very work filled, because I'm trying to make up hours for the 3 days I'm in Disney. So I work a ton this week, and I'll probably pick up if I can. So I did not like the way my Q&A turned out, so I'm just gonna start editing this video just because I have a little time to kill. We got a candle going. I poured myself a glass of wine because it's Sunday. I've got my planner out, my to-do list. I'm gonna plan this week too a little bit, and I'm gonna start editing this, and we're just gonna have a nice chill afternoon. So I planned out a bit of my week like you saw. I mainly do stuff from a Google Calendar, and then I put it in here. But when it's a new week, so you guys can tell, obviously this is not as full out as last week, but I do it as I go. So I put my main stuff in, so like work at my jobs and class, and like stuff that's obviously like gonna stay the same, like hair appointments and stuff. But then I add stuff throughout the week. So like when I have like date night or when I have plans with friends, I add that stuff in as I go. So I just put like main stuff at first, and that's it. And then I have like my little to-do list for today that I need to finish up. That's that, and yeah, so that's how I plan my week out. At the beginning I just put like important stuff, and then these 2 days I'm in Disney, so I'm gonna put my flights in there. But yeah, so hi guys, it is currently 7:30. We just finished up my sister's birthday dinner. I'm just relaxing now. I was gonna go study with Chloe, but we are both pretty tired, so that's not happening, which is fine. I'm gonna have like a nice little self-care evening. I'm gonna do a face mask. I'm still super obsessed with this face mask. I did a sponsorship with them like 2 months ago, and this just like goes to show you guys that I don't do sponsorships with just anyone. Like, it's only products I truly believe in, because I still use this thing to this day. It's like all of this stuff. So I'm gonna put a face mask on and just watch some YouTubes and wind down, I think. And